This video was brought to you by Markus Bil, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Stoltenberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Was it 3 or 4 weeks ago? We've been shooting video with Bjørn, Valdemar's garage, and I thought we've been joking that about that we can buy damaged cars. I mean, damaged with a mechanical or electrical fault. Bjørn can test it properly, and Markus could sell it. But it seems that it can turn into a little bit bigger project than I thought. And now I'm sitting in maybe the first car that we are gonna try on. It is Model S 2014 model, first time registered in 2014 March. So idea is I will show you what we done with the car, or what we are gonna do with the car, how it looks outside, inside, under the car, and Bjørn is gonna do his test. I don't know what he's gonna do with it, but for sure test the battery and maybe try to find some other faults that we can maybe try to fix. And then we are gonna let Markus to sell the car. So first of all, we bought the car because it had problems with the high voltage battery. I think you've seen this car hanging on the lifter with the battery down. It was a video of Valdemar's garage 1st of July. So the battery is fixed now. We have done EU control, so it didn't pass. It has some issues with the suspension. I will drive the car inside on the lifter, and I will show you what has to be replaced, repaired to get the car in a good technical shape and be EU approved. Otherwise, car has let me see, car has driven 186,148 at this moment. Additional information: it has premium audio system, CCS2 adapter, heated wipers, Tegra MCU, induction large drive unit. It is not performance version, and it's not four-wheel drive, it's just back-wheel drive, simple. 85 kilowatt hour battery. Yeah, air suspension, of course. What else? Let me see. I want to show you how the car looks inside or without being washed so far. So it's not clean. It seems that it had some maybe a dog previous owner. Yeah, look, it's actually seven-seater. Seven-seater, missing cover over here. I don't know if we will be able to find a replacement. This is a good proof that it had a dog, probably female. It had roof racks, but the owner took it with him. But I think I have another roof racks in stock that I'm not gonna use it, so I can include in the package. Yeah, it is on winter tires at the moment. SP, which year model? Quickly, let's find. Those numbers are always hidden. 2019 or 2018. So it's on the limit. How to say, to be changed. Some scratches over here. I don't know how much it will be. Our workshop will be able to polish it. Apart from that, I don't see big damages. Yeah, you can see it has fog in the rear tail lights. Otherwise, looks in quite good shape. So let's take the car on the lifter, go through the EU list, and let me show you what has to be fixed to get the car EU approved. So from this list, from the top, I can show you just that Windows wiper mechanism is really bad, and you see it started to destroy the hood. So the whole Windows mechanism has to be replaced in order to get a better window wiping quality and no damage to the hood anymore. In the suspension in the front, what we need to do is to replace the brake pads and maybe discs, because the pads are under minimum limits. It's not easy to focus on and show the pads. Then the I would say bushings in the four arms, both sides, are broken and needs to be replaced. I'm not sure why it's not mentioned anything about rust on the brake pipe. I will check that. Maybe this also has to be replaced. Then in the back we have much more things to repair. We have stabilizers on both sides, and we have stabilizers there. Not easy to look, and we have to replace both of the arms, which are, I'll say, tend to break over there, both sides.